Ito na yata ang pinakamagandang property ngayon kung saan ka dapat mag-invest. Kaya if investor ka or someone na naghahanap ng investment para sa future at family mo, watch this video. Let me introduce you to Kamaya Coast here in Bataan. Ito ay mayroong napakagandang natural white sand beach, lush green forest, golf course, aqua park, and even mall sa loob nito. And here are the 4 reasons kung bakit sa Kamaya ka dapat magkaroon ng beach condo. Number 1. Overlooking views of beach and golf course. From your beach lot kasi, makikita mo agad yung overlooking view of West Philippine Sea at sa likod naman nito ay ang Mount Mariveles. Kaya perfect ito sa mga taong gustong magkaroon ng beach condo or magpatayo mismo ng retirement home nila. Number 2. Long-term investment. Alam nyo ba na they already sold over 1,000 lots na? Meaning, talagang dinadayo ito ng mga investors and retirees. Kaya because of the demand, tumataas yung value ng property mo from up to 2 to 4% annually. Alam nyo ba na may ginagawang airport sa loob ng community natin? Yes, you heard that right. Airport sa loob ng subdivision. Gumaganda na ang property mo, nag-i-increase pa ang investment mo. Number 3. Accessibility. Dahil sa current developments inside our area, pwede na ito mapuntahan through land, sea, and soon to be via air. Number 4. Prime amenities. Once you're a property owner, meron kang unlimited access sa iba't ibang amenities natin. Lalong-lalo na sa white sand beach, infinity pool, aqua park, at marami pang iba. Kaya sobrang sulit talaga maging property owner dito sa Kamaya. Dahil lahat ng perks na to ay maa-avail mo at ng family mo once property owner ka na. Kaya if naghahanap ka ng investment kung saan maganda ialat ang perang pinagpaguran mo, better visit Kamaya Coast. Just message our page now and our trusted agents will take care of you.